What a day! What a lovely day!
Hey, officer. I apologize in advance. I was being stupid, legit. I'm just trying to get home from up north from the cottage. Like, I'm just going on a long ride, and I'm just trying to get home. Sorry, officer. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Can I get off to get on insurance? Thanks.
What's your driving record like, man?
Sorry?
What's your driving record like?
I have one speeding ticket from like 3 years ago.
Yep.
It was on the 400 late at night. I was coming home. I didn't even realize my speed. I got booked going 149. I was in my mom's car. Like, I didn't even know I was going that speed. It was like 3 o'clock in the morning. I got
anything on the bike?
Sorry?
Anything on your bike?
No, nothing on the bike, sir.
Where are you working now, Jeremy?
I have no job right now, officer.
Okay. Any criminal record at all?
Just the speeding ticket that I know of.
You ever been in handcuffs? And I'm not talking a victory kind.
There was that. That was an incident about 6 years ago. I was at old residence. It was a confrontation between one person and an individual, a road rage incident. He put charges on me, and I had a year. What's it called? A year not being close to him.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that was it.
Is your camera going?
Yeah, that's okay, officer.
Why is it going?
That's how when I ride, I record.
Why?
Just for, you know, safety purposes. I don't post anything crazy on YouTube. I just post, you know.
You post your speed test?
No, not that, officer. Not on this. Sorry?
You got done with racing as well?
No.
What was that for?
Racing?
Yeah.
Oh, that was the 149 ticket. It was originally 170. I got dumbed down to 149 through, you know, lawyers and stuff like that.
And what were you doing?
I wasn't racing. I was going home.
Yeah, but anything 50 over street racing, right? What?
It was 150 over, right? Yeah, I was just going home. I wasn't even keeping an eye on the pedal, right? It was like nothing on the street. It was on the 400. I was just going, and I didn't even realize. And the officer pulled me over. I was surprised myself. I was like, wow. And then, you know, I got home. I got arrested and from my mom.
How long have you had this for?
About 3 months now.
You bought used?
Yeah, I bought it used.
How much you pay for it?
4,200. I got for it.
What year is it?
2010. It was in pretty good condition. The dealer had a hard time selling it to me because it was in such good condition. I was just like, I gotta take it, man. But yeah, I don't race this thing at all. Like, I was just being stupid. I was just trying to make a pass.
All right, bud, listen to me. You gotta slow down, okay, man?
I will, officer.
So I'm gonna give you a caution because you've been respectful when you pull over.
All right, I appreciate it, officer.
You gotta, like, most guys on the Crocs Rockers just fucking hit it and gone, right?
Yeah.
You gotta slow down, man, okay?
Okay, officer. I appreciate it.
Buddy, I'm not, like,
I know. I was being stupid, legit. I was going 110, 120 the whole way, and then when I made the pass and I saw you, I was like,
Yeah.
all right, thanks a lot, officer. Do you mind if I post this on YouTube just for a channel? It's called, you know, Good Cops, Good Riders.
Yeah, that's fine.
All right, officer, thank you. Have a great day. Drive safe. Oh my God, guys. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. That is the first time I legit got pulled over by a police officer on my motorcycle. I got pulled over and got a bad ticket before, but that was a cool cop right there. Like, I don't run into them often, and when I do, like, it's a bless from God. All right, Moto Madness. There's your cool cop of the day.
What was that?
Stop it for your speed.
Okay.
All right. Your license, registration, insurance?
Yeah, they're gonna be in my backpack. The only thing is my registration came out of my pocket one time. I have my insurance and my license though, so you can still match it. No weapons whatsoever, sir.
You can set the bike so it doesn't fall over.
Yeah, I got the kickstand down. Can I hop off it? Cool. Did you want me to take my helmet off and put a mask on?
Just step out of the road too.
Sure. Well, that was fun. So, just for starters, he pulled me over for 42 and a 35, which he explained to me was probable cause to pull me over. And he did write me a ticket, but it was a fix-it ticket. Fix-it ticket meaning my registration card flew out of my pocket, and basically I have to get a new registration card and show it to a CHP officer, and they'll write it off for free. So no money involved, just a little bit of something I got to take care of in the future. Cool guy. I was really respectful, you know, like I just talked to him, was like, yo, like, can I do this? Really respectful, complied. That's all you got to do. That's all you got to do to stay safe in a traffic stop. Stay safe out there, guys. Don't ride in Malibu. I'm probably not going to come back here anymore. It's just, there's just too many cops. Apparently there's cops going this way too. So I'm going to scout it out a little bit. I'm not going to be riding like anything close to fast now, and go from there.
Okie dokie. Do you want to go? Not at all.
I saw you a couple months ago.
Uh-huh.
I was on my Harley. We were up north of town.
Oh, really?
And I followed you for about 2 miles, trying to catch up to you. I think it was you.
I don't think anyone else dresses like this.
Okay. But yeah, I was trying to catch up to you. Like every time we catch a red light, we'd slow down and then you'd take back off again. I'm like, well, crap, that ain't gonna work. But I just wanted to get a picture of it because my kids were like, no, there's not really a guy running around dressed like Deadpool.
No way, man.
You're cool with this, man. Sorry to.
Oh, not at all. Not at all.
Hey, did you do all the high school parades for Loveland High School kids?
Yeah,
too?
yeah.
Awesome. I appreciate it.
Oh, man. Yeah, absolutely. My pleasure. Yeah, be safe out there. Yeah.
Hey, here's my card. It's not good for much, but hey, it's give me something to go dark at.
I appreciate you.
Yeah, how's it going, sir?
You got driver's license, sir?
Yes, I do. I know you guys are gonna pull me over.
We're just checking. We didn't see any plates.
I do have on my plate right here. Let me, because it's temporary and it's like hanging. It's a paper one, but for sure I do have everything.
Let me turn on the. I'll be right with you.
Okay, do you want me to put the bike on the side?
No.
Okay. Okay. All right. So my wallet is here.
How come you don't have the plates on?
I'll show you in a second. There you go. Let me show you my plate. Let me show you my insurance and everything. So you see this? When I was riding, it was like really windy.
It was coming off?
Second?
It was coming off?
Yeah, it's coming off, so I didn't want to lose. Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna run it and make sure.
No, for sure, not a problem. I just
We were thinking stopped you.
let me show you my insurance. You want insurance?
Oh yeah.
Sure, not a problem, sir.
Second, I gotta get my mask on.
All right.
You know?
For sure. Eh. All right. Insurance. KTM 521. Oh,
That's so you just got it.
yeah, I got this bike like few days ago, and if you wanna see the VIN number of the bike is here, so you can see everything is accurate.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
Oh, like I said, you have no right.
hey, I completely understand. I know something like this.
He has it with him. And he said it was flopping. He thought it was gonna fall off, and he took it off. But he has it.
It's a paper one, temporary. It's like I don't want to lose it. Yeah, it's. He got it. Second, sir. Yeah. There's like this one here, but I'm waiting for the metal one so I can drill the holes and put the plate right there. So. I do apologize. I know I need to have it, but that's why I'm keeping here so I don't lose it if I lose.
Bike, huh?
Huh?
Brand new bike?
Yeah, 2020.
That's sharp, man.
Yeah.
Got a helmet and everything? Good.
Hey, I had an accident last year. Yeah, one guy, he cut me off on Cumberland, and you know, I had like 4 broken toes, fracture on my ankle and stuff, but I mean, I always wear my gear, so.
I like that camera, just so you know we're on camera.
For sure. Hey, I really appreciate you guys, for sure, not a problem.
Awesome, alright, just give us 1 minute. Okay?
Yeah, for sure.
I just wrote you the ticket just because the place out of fix. Okay, everything's on camera. So that's all it is, just registration plate, not a fix. And I just need you to sign here, okay? And if you want those directions how you can pay for the ticket, you don't have to go to court. If you want to go to court, you can go to court, or you can just pay the ticket.
How much is the ticket?
I'm not sure. You got to go online and look at that.
Okay.
You just sign here.
Do I need to sign or no?
Yeah, it's just pretty much saying that you received the ticket. And you're gonna comply.
So you need to give me a ticket for this?
I do, yeah. Everything's on camera.
Okay.
And everybody, there's a lot of these motorcycles going around. They're really wreaking havoc over here downtown. So.
All right, man. Hey, if you say so, what to do?